Hello there! In my last Switch review, where I took a look at the Zaku 2 Tactile Switches, a commenter mentioned that they were interested in trying Green Jacket Tactiles. I couldn't help but get excited because the KNC Green Jacket Tactiles are one of my favorite Switches, and I really wanted to share my thoughts about them. With a name inspired by the green jackets worn by the characters in Squid Game, the KNC Green Jackets are manufactured by Tactile and feature an HPE top, a 13.9mm palm stem, a 63.5 gram double-stage spring, and a nylon bottom. One thing to note is that green jackets are available in both linear and tactile varieties. The first iteration of the linear variety featured a 13.9mm stem that is the same length as the tactile switch, but there has been a revised version of the linear switch called 1.5 that features a shorter stem with a length of 13.5mm. This revision was made to make the bottom out on the linear switches feel less harsh and create more travel distance. As a mainly tactile fan, I have not had the opportunity to use Green Jacket linears, so the rest of this review will focus on the tactile variety. The Green Jackets are priced at $10.80 per pack of 18 switches, which prices out to 60 cents per switch. I do wish they were available in packs of 10 for more precise quantities, but this is not a deal breaker for me. Unfortunately, as of recording this video on May 18th, 2023, the Green Jacket Tactiles are out of stock on KNC Keys. However, their website mentions that they are estimated to come back in Q3 of 2023. I personally plan on ordering more later this year because I like them enough to have them in more than one of my boards. The Green Jackets come factory lubed, and in my opinion, the factory lubing is very well done. I personally do not think that they require any additional modification and can be used stock. This makes them a great switch for people who don't enjoy lubing switches or for people who are newer to the hobby who want to feel lubed switches and may not have all the tools required to lube switches themselves. Here is a sound test of the Green Jackets stock. For this sound test, I am using a Mode Sonnet with a palm plate, TX stabilizers, and Milky Way Voynich keycaps. I've been using this build as my work board for a little over 6 months and have really enjoyed using it. Overall, I really enjoy the sound and feel of the Green Jackets. They provide a decent amount of tactility and a great lower pitch sound profile that has little to no spring ping and scratchiness. I will say that the Green Jackets are pretty loud. Personally, I love how loud they are. However, that may be a problem if you work in an office or live with someone who minds the noise. They really are a great switch that can be used right out of the package without having to put in extra work, and I think they're worth the price. If I had to give them a rating out of 10, I'd give them a 9.5 out of 10, almost completely perfect to fit my preferences. Thank you so much for watching this review. Please tell me your thoughts on the Green Jackets in the comments. Have you tried them? Do you want to try them when they're back in stock? I'd also love to know if there are any other switches you'd be interested in hearing my thoughts on in future reviews. Have a good day, fellow Keep nerds.